This Lionsgate walkthrough is really, really special.
Oh no! 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 That was not fair.
Oh, give me back my keys, you dang nothing!
I don't have any.
Look at her! Do not look at her! I like the detail on this one.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. We have made the pilgrimage to Long Beach, California to Midsummer Scream for our very first time. And something really special here at Midsummer Scream is what they're calling the Hall of Shadows. Inside the Hall of Shadows, there's several different haunted houses inside of there. They've got booths and displays, and a lot of them even have walkthroughs. So we're gonna take you guys inside the Hall of Shadows with us right now to go through those walkthroughs and check out some of the displays. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
Haunts everywhere! Let's get in line! That better not be from spiders. Oh no! 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 Crawling on the floor! No! 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 No!
It's
There's
not a spider
spiders.
tunnel at all.
Give it loud enough. A bone, sure.
It's a bravery boat. Here, I'll hold your hand and everything.
Okay, please, please, please! I don't like the spiders! Please, please!
Put yourself down, depression! Step on it! Let's go!
That's so gross!
Go! Go! You saw me, dude! You saw me!
You still got me! She tricked me! But I have a bone of bravery!
Yeah.
I know where you live! I'll drag you back here tomorrow! Yes, I will!
We'll be back!
Oh, it's a little dark ride! It's a walking dark ride. Oh, this is so nostalgic. Oh my god! That's real! That did not look like it was gonna move. Oh, the poltergeist.
It's over! You gotta get out now!
Okay, maintenance, thanks. Oh god, Tyler, there's a bushman! I got my bone! Oh god. Oh, it's peeking out! Where'd he go? That was not fair.
No, stay there.
It's a pirate. A pirati.
Scooby-Doo!
No, we were looking for him. We'll let you know when we find him.
Oh, give me back my keys, you dang nothing!
That's Shaggy! Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're looking for Scooby-Doo.
We want a party. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Oh, here goes the pirati. Watch out! That was cute. You're gonna die.
For this one, we have to navigate the labyrinth of the Lord of Shadows. Can we make it out alive? Only one way to find out.
That's dead.
The Shadow Lord welcomes you to his labyrinth of lost souls.
Oh, that's good.
We have a number of lost souls in there tonight.
Hopefully not one of us.
Well, we're always looking for volunteers. I'm supposed to harvest about 6 tonight. What's your name?
Samantha.
Nope, it's Tracy.
Tracy? I don't have any Tracys on tonight. So
Thank you.
good luck. I hope you
Okay,
make it.
good luck.
I hope we do too.
Thank you. Oh, look at that guy.
The Lord of Shadows.
Oh no, something is smiling at me. Ay. Oh goodness.
Uh-oh.
We don't have any.
That is not
We don't have any.
I don't know what they're looking for.
Oh!
Uh-oh. It got a little creepier. Oh, what's the green light mean? Do we touch it? Do we touch that? Jesus Christ. Yes, you touch it.
That was good.
I ain't touch it. I can't reach it now.
Oh no.
What does red light, green light mean? It means
Bad
something.
baby. It's a bad baby.
No, I ain't
No.
touching.
Stay in there.
Oh, look at
Stay
that.
in there. Get back.
Oh, are they back? Oh no, Tracy, they're coming out. What is, okay, we're going for it. Okay, uh-oh, it's blue. I don't know what that means. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, you stay in there. Ooh, there's an alien sack. Ooh, there's an alien. Good. Oh God, no, you go.
She's on the other side too.
Ah! Shoot, there's a, ew, it's eating a spider. Ew. Oh, that alien.
Uh-huh.
That's perfect for the new movie coming out.
Right,
They were
right.
really good.
In Art's Sideshow, a pizza delivery has gone wrong. We're gonna find out what's going on. Oh goodness. Oh, she doesn't look very friendly. Oh, okay. She's not.
And the vibe.
Very friendly.
Yep, we don't have any.
Tyler, look at this.
Oh man.
Holy crap. Oh God.
Toy Story.
I didn't do it. He's got our pizza.
He's just hungry.
That's how the pizza went bad.
He's angry.
Right there. Get back in your boiler. Oh my God, the doll is creepy.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, it's Leatherface.
You want to stay a little while?
What have you
Not
done?
really.
Dinner with us?
No.
Yes, all right. Stay a little while. I do not taste good at all.
Sorry.
So fast.
Just a slice. See, they're not serving pizza. They're serving
They're trying to serve us.
Some other kind of protein.
Yeah.
the Santa Ana Haunt has a themed bar ready for us. This is gonna be awesome because of the sounds. Oh lordy. This is the bar, right? I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Oh, what's in your eye?
What? But I got you like a fish.
Nope, I prefer not.
Fish!
I said to be quiet in there! Get on and be quiet!
Do not look at her! Do not look at her! Keep going!
Guys, things are missing. Things are definitely missing.
I'm gonna give you straight to the murder karma! I love to play with you!
That's where those weapons are. Oh goodness! Woo! What is up with that? I'm so confused. What is in there? He is watching.
So you guys saw the bar while we was in there. You actually can go in there and partake in some adult beverages here on the show floor.
Thank you. Through the barn. I like the detail on this one. Oh gosh, ghost town. Oh god.
These guys look friendly.
No, they're not. Ooh. Hello there. You're cute. Oh, look at the full moon. Oh, these skellies. Uh-oh, they got a prisoner.
Who's Kelly?
Oh, not me.
Alright, because I'm here to kill Kelly.
Oh, I'm not Kelly.
You were not.
Oh goodness. Kelly, where are you at?
I can't, sorry, I forgot it.
Go kind
That
of
one
West themed.
That one had good detailing. It was a haunted ghost town.
Midsummer Scream! Welcome to the first edition of
This Lionsgate walkthrough is really, really special because it's the first time a movie company like this has built a haunt here on the show floor in the Hall of Shadows. So we're super excited to see it. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's get inside.
Here's a beer. Let's go. Ow! Lionsgate! Oh my goodness. Ow!
Each one a mirror of your darkest fear.
That looks
A testament to your choices. Survive them and survive.
Make it! Good night. No! Oh, there it is. Ghosty, ghosty. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I don't like it. Orchid, son of a fuck! You keep that over there. Help, I don't like it! Ah! Ah! Tyler, it might be a bushman, I don't know. Oh no, it's dark. I don't like the dark. What's the dark? Where are you, you sonner? I see you. Yep. No. Oh God, don't ruin my night vision. No. No. Ah! You're creepy. No. Oh crap. Oh, whoa. Hey, hey, hey. Getting a little knifey. Whoa. Quick movers. Very quick. No! What'd they do? I can't help you! Hey, no! Oh no, that's... I got blinded. Oh, yeah. Wow. That was good. Yeah, it was. Yes.
So those were some homages to some past films as well as some teasers of some upcoming
around
films.
that
So
way.
keep an eye out on Lionsgate here in the coming months.
What is this thing anyway?
It's a magic box.
Magic
What's
box.
in there?
It captures your soul.
No way,
You
mine's
have a
somewhere
soul?
over there.
Oh, you're safe then. You're safe.
Yeah, that's a zombie version of course.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the Hall of Shadows, you're not going to want to miss the show floor. This place is absolutely huge. It's amazing. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.